What's going on?
A shark is attacking!
Swim! That was scary. So one thing that most people don't understand when you live with someone who's battling cancer and is taking treatments is they cannot fall at all because their bones are brittle. If they fall, their bones might not heal. So when you have this type of snow and ice everywhere, it actually makes it, well, it makes the conditions 10 times more treacherous in her condition versus the average person's condition. There you go.
Well, it is interesting. It is not what I thought it was going to be like. I feel like I am back in La Grande again where I went to college. Because back there it snowed 3 months out of the year. And the snow was up here to your waist. And I don't think I saw pavement until March. So this is so beautiful. But as I can see, like, not all the roads are good. So be slow. And my husband is an awesome driver. So anyway, have a grand day.
Well, it is very snowy and all that water is gonna freeze tonight. So that is gonna be kind of slippery actually. So I hope there isn't gonna be too much water, so there isn't gonna be too much ice. Look at all that snow.
Here's another part. So living with someone with a disability, I'm not in a parking spot. I'm actually in a spot that's not parking. And that's because this guy with his giant GMC truck, he had to take the handicap parking. Notice there's no placard. Happens all the time.
Lemon.
You're gonna squeeze some lemon? Are you gonna lick it? Sour.
Taste